night trying to carry a fishing pole while I'm fucking riding that rocky ridge.
After we get out here and you see it, you're gonna be like, man, now we gotta come back in the Ranger.
Yeah, exactly.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or whatever it was.
Yeah.
That was a big old
Barracuda.
This is a barracuda. This is a barracuda.
Yeah,
he knows one when he sees one.
I've seen, yeah.
So, dudes, good news. We're going fringe class today. Blake talked me in. He said we'll do all subs.
Make sure you always get extra napkins so you can take a shit in the bushes.
Yeah, make sure you have a chin diaper.
There's no leaves to wipe with at Rocky Ridge.
No, just rocks.
It's called Rocky Ridge for a reason.
For some reason, with that in mind, he says just go to all subs.
Yep.
Because they have the Taco Bell cardboard napkins.
Well, they also have a special hot sauce that plugs your butthole.
Oh.
The taco sauce.
Solders, it just fucking...
Yeah, it solders. It's like a 5-hour energy, but for closing your butthole.
And what is that? Cauterize your beehole.
Rectal cauterize.
Yeah. All subs, I'll get you... Dude, everybody talks these burritos up. Try one of these out. The worst part is when you get one and, you know, they obviously run out and they had to run on down to the store, bought them some old El Monterey chimneys, and they're in there. Dude, they do that. I can always tell when Oliver Creek done run out of Crispitos because they go down to Sam's and get the shit ones and try and pass them off to me, and I'm like, hell no.
Un-American.
Dude, I'm surprised I can even get gas. We hit the corner and come over here and Blake's exact words, oh yeah, this is a good all subs.
Oh yeah, if they got
see the weather on the sign?
Front of it,
the weather on the sign will tell you, yeah, and they got some Pueblo tiles missing there. Yeah. Blake's going in no mask. That's why he likes all subs. Yup. So this is what all the fuss is about. My goodness. This old boy almost wouldn't take a cash for ATV's $100 bill in there.
Yeah.
I about to tell him, well, I guess throw them burritos on the trash can then.
Yep. Actually, you wouldn't have to do that. About to tell him, meet me out here in the parking lot.
Yeah, you can catch these fucking all-American burritos.
These bitches are curbside pickup as well.
I don't want to fight you in here. I'll tear this whole goddamn all subs apart.
Oh yeah. The good thing about doing this is it never gets tight back again on there, so it just
spews more and more each time.
Into your gooch. It creates a real nice rash.
This one's definitely yours, dude, because I took a bite out of yours a minute ago.
Oh, okay.
Instead of mine.
Oh, okay.
So, actually, it's pretty fresh, boys.
I eat mine when it's cold and we're on the way back.
I ain't got the teeth for that, man. Once these things, they start to solidify. It's just a little chewy, that's all.
No, you just gotta gnaw on it for a while like a bone. All subs burritos are kind of like dental bones for dogs.
Oh, like a dentist there.
They'll clean your teeth.
You just...
whatever's left of them.
Yeah.
After
whatever don't fall out.
Yeah.
You don't swallow. That was a mistake, boys. I shouldn't have did that. But Blake tells me how good the shit is, and then look, what the hell's that?
It's good, croissant.
So he played me. He's like, look, you want some of them burritos, and then he got the calls of the last croissant. I even heard it too. I looked over there like, what?
This is for on the way home, boys.
Yeah, not on the way here. This will clear me out.
This is to clear this out. This is the stopper. They'll get you constipated. The burritos, they'll give you the runs. And you got to buy both of them. No. That's how they get you.
And you got to eat them accordingly. I just ate the burritos. And then he drops all this knowledge on me afterwards.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, I guess this is worth mentioning. If you plan on going to Rocky Ridge, have a reservation. Because the guy, man, he'll try and big time you as soon as you get there if you don't have one. And all you got to do is call. Anybody can get on the list. It's like being a Democrat. You just do it. It's pretty easy. You don't even have to do anything. Just don't do nothing. Right?
I didn't do shit.
Just don't do anything. I'm not going to call him dad. Ever. Even if there's a fire. Damn, security's rough around here. Enter at own risk, and they got these straight up go hards right here.
I'm about to box one of them, dude. Say,
no, that's a woman. That one's got titties.
No, it don't. Those are big old.
That's
a big old Dixies.
Yeah, 4 Dixies.
You got. Hey, how many peckers y'all got? You tell me. I see your red Angus. I'll make a burger out of you. Yeah, see your black anus. You got a black anus. Where's the red? It's got 69 on it.
Almost.
Holy shit. Yeah, dude, I bet you she's gifted.
She knows the
One
deal.
way to find out.
She's out here standing on the street corner like a whore.
I know. They need to go take her a whore bath in the damn pool pond.
No side by side with us today, so I got you, dog. It's the ruck. Got you the ruck, bro.
You on the 3-wheeler.
Self tapper. This SX. Nick's trying to pull that thing off on his own. Oh, did he knock you off of there?
No.
No, she's seen it coming. I didn't.
Hill from the 90s, man. Last time I was here, I climbed it.
We're going up that hill.
Yep, I did it last year on a DRZ 110. Damn, I don't remember this bridge. Dude, look at these fish, bro. Try this hill?
This one down.
Oh, you okay?
Jeez.
Just for a minute. Just give me that much, dog. Go on now.
All this.
It's only 75 pounds.
I said, shut.
Ah, man. I got fucked on that deal. Uh-oh. Nancy, cut that pipe down, bro. I like that. Oh, I thought it was 4 inches long.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for giving me the extra credit.
No problem.
Yeah. Say hi. Bless you.
Silly bud. Oh, he's lucky, bro. He gets to shift his down. That's much easier. Yeah. What you smiling about, boy?
You like three-wheelers?
One more. Bro, almost climbed it in first gear. Shit. I'm doing her, dog.
Just so you can see, if you haven't been here, I know it don't look like much, but I promise you, it's steep and it goes up a ways. You got it? You got it? First gear's got it.
Downshifting her very much.
You had to. I was like,
had
he's
to.
got it. He's gonna get it in first.
He's gonna downshift it any second now. He ain't gonna be able to downshift it. He's just flicking the clutch the whole time. Smiling.
You having a good time? Feel a little low.
Yeah, I think that old Sporty SX is wanting you to do it now.
Where's the lake? Which way?
Right over there. Where that just went. Y'all want to go over there? There's a lot less dust, man, if we sit in that one sandy spot, that one little piece of beach. Man, my brakes are failing me, boys. Right. Made it.
Dude, that was badass, dude.
Those are spots just in case, man.
I can get her out, just I have no body English with the baby on me.
Right.
I
Right
can't
now.
believe she did that.
Whipped it around there. Dude, right at the end, snapped her. I've been adjusting this in, adjusting this out. A piece of metal's probably laying. Well, it just happened right here. I tried to slide up in here like a badass. Here it is. Look there, boy. That was a freaking CSI one day, Mike. That did great. Oh, dude, I've ridden that everywhere. I've been to Bolivar a couple times, Texoma, Red River a few times. Isn't never left me on the trail.
Can't believe he climbed that hill.
Oh, come on, man. I mean, I was piloting it. If I would have had to, I would have just threw it on my fucking back.
Carry it up.
Looked like one of them Ricola guys and just carried it up the fucking hill.
That was awesome.
That was pretty cool. We got some good video, Lena.
The front suspension on this. Dude, that whole thing is
It's like a grasshopper.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hate for that to kerplink
I've
apart
never wanted
right
a
there.
bug so bad in my life.
All right, let's see.
That's slow.
Remember a little. Get a feel for the throttle. There you go. Ooh, Willie girl. Oh, good job.
There you go. She riding it like me.
Just turned that door inside out too on her truck. Oh, you okay? She got the gear on. Grab the clutch.
Still running?
Yeah, oh, the clutch broke. That was pretty fun. Good meeting Mike and Alina, and we done some trails. Did some good trails. Did some hill climbs.
Hell yeah.
Conquered everything. Three-wheeler did. The SSR did. Everything's good. So, heading back to drop off these Allsups burritos and then figure out if I can make it another leg.
Probably not.
Probably not. You guys be sure and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And share these videos. A lot of you guys may be wanting to plan a ride. Share these videos. Let them know what Rocky Ridge is like and what Lake Murray is like, stuff like that.
Highway 287.
So you guys can decide if Rocky Ridge is someplace you want to go, or Lake Murray, Lake Texoma, Red River Motorcycle Trails, Bolivar, stuff like that.